Do 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 do.
Hey, what are you doing?
Oh, hi there. Hey, Petri, I'm just looking at some money.
Money? What's money?
Ooh, you don't know much about money?
Uh-uh.
Well, guess what? Let's learn a little bit. It's time for a lesson about money, 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 money.
Money.
Okay, here we go. This is a quarter. This is money.
What do you do with it?
Well, people use money to buy things. So you can buy food. You can buy clothes. You can buy toys. You can even buy treats.
Oh, I like treats.
I know. So this coin right here is a quarter, and it is worth 25 cents.
Oh, is that the only one?
Oh, no, my friend. We have way more than that. So this is one coin. Here is another coin.
Oh, it's smaller.
You're right. This is a dime. It's only worth 10 cents.
Oh, is there more?
Mm-hmm. Here's another coin. This one right here is a nickel, and it's only worth 5 cents.
Oh, okay. How about one more?
All right, I'll do one more. It won't overwhelm you today. This is a penny. This is the smallest piece of money that we have in America.
Oh, how much is it worth?
1 cent.
Oh, okay. Can I taste it?
Money doesn't really have a good taste. It's not, you don't eat it.
Oh, you said you can use it to get food.
True, you can trade it to buy food.
Oh!
That's it. So if I wanted to buy some food, I would take my money, and I would go to the store, and then I would give them the money, and then they would give me the food.
Oh, okay, so you trade it.
You're right. It is kind of like that. You would trade the money for food, or for clothes, or for treats, or for or toys. There's all sorts of things you can do with it.
Well, how much do you think this cost?
Well, it depends. I have this. This is a pencil. Pencils are pretty cheap. So you can get a box of pencils for pretty cheap, probably under $1.
Okay.
And then I have things like this. I have books. If you buy books, books cost more.
Oh, like a couple dollars?
Yep. And that's a good thing. And then there's things that cost even more than that. Here's an example. This is a cell phone.
Oh, and it costs more?
Yep, this would cost more. So there's some things you can buy that are very small and they cost just a little. Or some things that you have that cost more.
Okay, I think I understand a little about money.
You know what? I'm really glad you asked that question. I'm going to go back to looking at my cool little coins here.
I'm going to look too. Bye, everybody.
Yeah, thanks for being here and learning about money.